Having a side hustle that supports your regular income no doubt is very necessary for financial liberty. In this video I am going to teach you briefly a new and most reliable way of making money online most people never know exists. This is how it works. You will create an affiliate account with ClickBank. Don't worry even though you are a beginner and you don't know how to create an account with ClickBank. I have a free tutorial which you can download for free. Then you will now sign up for the 12 Minutes Affiliate System membership. The 12 Minutes Affiliate System was developed by Devin Brown. Inside the 12 Minutes Affiliate dashboard you will follow a simple 3-step to set up your account. If you cannot set it up, don't worry, it will be done for you. There is also a video tutorial you can simply follow. You have 80 actionable follow-up messages already prepared for you by the 12 Minutes Affiliate System team, with your affiliate links embedded in them. When someone follows those links to make purchase of the products you will select in your dashboard, you will earn a commission of 50% to 75% and above. Take for instance, there is a particular product that is sold for $1,009 on ClickBank. Assume you are to select that product. When your leads, that is the people that opt into your emails list, click through the link to make purchase, you automatically earn $504.50 for that sale. Although there are some other products that are sold for less. There are some products which are sold below $100. You have the choice to make as to which one to promote, depending on your niche. Once your account is set up, which will not take more than 3 minutes to set up, the next thing you will do is to drive traffic to your system. This could be in form of organic traffic, free traffic, or paid traffic, buying solo ads or social media ads, whichever one you choose. That is all you need to do. The 12 Minutes Affiliate System will deliver all the 80 messages for you sequentially on autopilot and generate sales for you. After setting up your dashboard you can go and sleep. And sales will be generated for you. That is how easy it is to make money with the 12 Minutes Affiliate System. To learn more, click on the link provided in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.